Heavy storm hits Manipur, killing 3 women at different places. Storm damages houses and schools, sustaining injuries to many students. JDU State Unit announces full support for CPI Lok Sabha inner candidate Dr. Moirangthem Nara. Party denounces last out-of-seat elections as unfair. Secular Democratic Front, a conglomerate of 8 political parties, extends full support for INC Lok Sabha inner candidate O. Nabakishore. And Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren says Prime Minister Narendra Modi assured redrafted CAB will ensure no harm to Northeast states. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. Heavy storm that hit the state this morning around 10 killed 3 women and injured around 30 students. The storm killed 1 woman identified as Yengkhom Memcha, 56 years, wife of late Angangcha at Kakching Wairi Sanapati Laikai in Kakching district. Sources said she died when a people tree uprooted by the storm collapsed on the eatery owned by her while she was at work. SDO office of Kakching district was also damaged by the storm. 2 other women were also killed by the storm at K. Salimchang village, Kolbung under TT, Samulang block of Churchanpur district. The deceased are identified as one Nimdon, 74 years, wife of Ngulkomang, and Chenkolhei, 50 years, wife of Senkolin. Many structures including houses and schools at various places of Churchanpur district were damaged by the storm. Heavy storm that hit the state this morning damaged many houses and a school, sustaining injuries to many individuals, including around 30 students in Bishnupur district. The storm totally damaged Manipuri Creative School in Kuakta Maninglaikai, Ward number 2, and injured a teacher and students of the school. They were rushed to Moirang Hospital. A house belonging to one Lemnaimang Wi-Fi at Kangwai village in the district was blown away by the heavy storm. Many structures including houses and schools at various places of Kakching district and at Kuakta Thingel Laikai and around Ithai Dam areas of Bishnupur district were damaged by the storm. Bishnupur police personnel took necessary measures in the areas. The storm also damaged properties in various parts of Ziribam district. Ceiling of Ziribam Imam Market caved by the heavy storm. There is no report of casualty in the district. Meanwhile, former Moirang MLA MP Triviraj inspected the condition of Manipur Creative School and Women Orphanage in Kuakta, which were damaged by the heavy storm that hit the state this morning. Prithviraj urged people to extend necessary assistance to restore the damaged school and orphanage. He is sure to extend all possible assistance from his end. Councillors of Kuakta Municipal Council also took part in the inspection.
Immediate relief, magi relocation, election model code of conduct party ki side on humanity we mio bagi minung sigi rom da tawiraga dai wakaladi the way na magkoi gunmin si sigi sugum bagi awaba ta matam de koi rasanti to gon thok ta braina lawje awaba tai mung sung da loina mag angam ba mateng cheng keji matu wera su kaino matu wera su koi punna mateng pangmina bada punna saruk yamina si.
Electioneering has reached its peak for Lok Sabha in a Manipur parliamentary. Political parties are openly supporting candidates of their choice, keeping aside political differences. Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit declared its full support to CPI inner candidate Dr. Moirangthem Nara today. Speaking to media at JDU Manipur State Unit office in Hatta, New Chekon, JDU President Hankanpao Taitul asserted that their party resolved to support Dr. Moirangthem Nara as he possessed a clean image who will work in the interests of the public. Expressing discontentment that he came across various malpractices during the recent Outer Manipur seat election, he alleged that BJP supporters in association with proscribed groups forcibly captured poll booths and carried out proxy voting at Malum, Sumchivam and Singhat villages in Churachandpur district. He claimed that over 95% voters were denied their franchise. He maintained that the outer election was not between Nagas and Cookies, but it was an election to choose the right candidate. Hankanpao expressed discontentment that even ECI cannot be trusted to bring justice.
Party affiliation as a good man, as a trustworthy person, high political stature, unstinted image, political image. Paisa paijaram dabajai, Congress ka BJP malamoy adubo. Te candidate singi marakta mahakase parayana kok ngana bagi damakta matik chaba barayabu prayagi athuakai issue tongan mamayam makhaise takpa ngangde kote haiduna ninda pira oidoba misak amoy na ubasida JDU na Dr. Narasinghabu support togani haiba sima khoi JDU Manipur State Union lauthok chare.
CPI Lok Sabha inner candidate Dr. Moirangthem Nara appreciated JDU Manipur State Unit for extending him supports for the upcoming inner Lok Sabha election on April 18th. He said that the election is not only for BJP and Congress party, but all the 2,293 political parties registered with the Election Commission of India. He maintained that all these political parties play significant roles and it would be wrong to assume that only BJP and Congress party are significant ones. Dr. Nara rebuked BJP-led central government as a party good in mere launching of schemes without actually executing them. He assured that he will sincerely and truthfully strive for the welfare of the public, unlike the BJP and the Congress party, which are power-hungry.
Ngasigi election ase I take it kangbu mana BJP amasung Congress tagi larai ni haina unna bohonai ka power muna bagi BJP na yaraktra na Congress na pai na ba Congress si yani ki piktha laga BJP mu halakna baba madu ki lambi da barai chis ton but absolutely it is wrong aran ba tawbaga achum ba thiriba kangbu ka ani dugi battle ne I stand for the justice seekers Achung bat thiriba kangbu adugi maikaida lepcharaga I am fighting as a warrior. This much I can tell you. Once again, I am expressing my gratitude and thankfulness to the JDU Manipur unit for supporting me.
Secular Democratic Front SDF, a conglomerate of 8 political parties, extended full support for INC Lok Sabha inner candidate Onnab Kishore in the ensuing 17th Lok Sabha inner Manipur constituency election scheduled on April 18th. SDF convener T.H. Inaucha made the announcement during the press meet held at Trinamool Congress State Unit office in Sanchein-thong today. Speaking to media, Inaucha asserted that people will retaliate all the false assurances of BJP-led government at the centre and the state by ensuring that the party is defeated in this election. The SDF convener asserted that the front resolved to support INC candidate after a deep introspection on various prevailing issues including integrity of the state and to safeguard indigenous inhabitants. He appealed to support Congress party in the election.
Center Musung State government Pairiba BJP candidate vote PBC Yellow me Mutatsi Hybrid Zapmanay Maramaduna Pranasina Manipur septa wungam gadauba democracy septa wungam gadauba secularism septa wungam gadauba adumlaba misak aduda aikoi pranasina sawachabani Indian National Congress ki mirep si onaba Keshor Singh da akhoi friendnesina sawgotjabani.
House campaign for Congress Party in a Manipur Lok Sabha candidate Oinam Nabakishore kicked off in Thangmaiban constituency today. MLA Thangmaiban Komukcham Joy Kishan, members of Thangmaiban Block Congress Committee and party supporters took part in the campaign. Speaking on the occasion, Oinam Nabakishore stated that the ensuing Lok Sabha in a parliamentary election scheduled on April 18th is a crucial election for the state in the wake of threat to indigenous inhabitants. He assured that Congress Party stands firm against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill. He warned that if BJP ever wins this election, existence of natives of the state is at danger. Campaigning for the candidate, MLA Joy Kishan condemned BJP as a communal party and urged people to vote for Congress Party to save Manipur.
Lok Sabha ki election se yellow mi bu kannabagi adumba tanjamani asida BJP da Manipur ki prajana vote pi bataragadi yellow mi se muthatkani haibasi mayak sengabani Congress na di yellow mi kangani CAB yaroi hadna mayak sengna lauthokhrabani aina khangjaba haijabado ai tawjage parliament da chalaga pambom tingna ima leba ki damakta yellow mi kannabai damakta ai ngangjage lepcha
Manipur kannaba wafam ne han laklaga miyam punamagna Manipur kanba pama punamagna Congress Party da vote pi hai dharma bu karem kathaina BJP party na lairi ba dharma khudim bu karem naba Christianity Hinduism Islam punam bu karem naba sumna dagi power pairagan loiren khanba democracy chattaba constitution masa khangdo party se Manipur dagi maru phungna mothala se.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren reassured that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has recently declared in Assam that a redraft of Citizenship Amendment Bill will make sure that the bill does not harm Northeast states. He was speaking in the public meeting organized by BJP Uripok Mandal at Imphal Western Club in Uripok Kumanthem, Laikai today. Campaigning for BJP Lok Sabha Inner Manipur candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Chief Minister Biren urged people to vote for a capable candidate who will genuinely serve and work as per the interests of the people. He appealed to vote for a befitted candidate who stands against corruption. The Chief Minister asserted that BJP-led state government undertook various welfare projects in its short span of 2 years' reign. He mentioned that the government enhanced ties between public and police. The Chief Minister also criticized opposition parties, especially Congress and CPI, in the meet.
BJP-led government so in the Lakani, Masjida Kuigi, Manipur Gishu, Queen Hen hiding it Tarina. Mayam Kepi, and Yam Wana Badu, a great other Isama came to Rogalay, Sataga Tobudu, Raja Sabata Kambite, Yare, Nangi Noigi, sentiments of Kamudabani. Hana Ariba Bilnia Putoro and a Potopide, Ujikshu, Narang Assam, the Prime Minister, the person Tabiramani, no risky interest for Pamata Toroi, Assam Oiro, no risky any estate interest Nakani, identity preserved to social identity, cultural identity, Yan Bornly, Aduna, Bildu redraft Torkomatamda, Tanaragata, Uni have a comment, Yam Pazana Piragalera, Aduna, politically Sandokwa, Nanga, Hypertabir.
An election campaign for BJP Lok Sabha inner candidate Dr. R.K. Ranjan was also held at Kurai Popular High School ground today. BJP leaders and women folks attended a conference organized by BJP Kurai Mandal. Speaking in the meet, MLA Kurai El Susindro asserted that candidates should face election for the welfare of the society and not for personal gains. He appealed to support BJP for a developed Manipur.
Sanjit Harper, Ravina Harper, Sidda, Matian Pamane, and Lobudavaneva. Sanjit Sekai, they know. A quick Kurai the Guinea, Karimaroni the Heart Kimano, Mamagi, Anabagi, Hidali was up to the Heart Kimanev. Kurai the Labour, Congress, Kudimak say, 100 Matans day, Sanjit Harpaki Pass, and when a soil pool when I have there, I hiding him. Are they my day Bangalore there? Congress Matanga Camtoromi, BJP Matanga Camtori, I did say any Gangadi, Modi Sahitara Bandravane.
Social worker Kambam Satyajit from Kurai Chingambam Laika has failed to complain to Election Commission of India against BJP Manipur Pradesh for breaching an election code of conduct by utilizing iconic characters of Mahabharata epic like Kunti, Duryadhana and Sukuni in the election-related party advertisement aired on All India Radio, Imphal and on other social media platforms. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on campaigning for second phase of Lok Sabha elections. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Electioneering has reached its peak for the second phase of Lok Sabha elections as only 2 days are left for the campaigning to end. 97 constituencies spread over 12 states and 1 union territory will go to polls in the second phase on Thursday. Top leaders of various political parties are leaving no stone unturned to woo the voters. In the second phase, the voting will be held in all 39 constituencies of Tamil Nadu. Other parliamentary constituencies are 14 in Karnataka, 10 in Maharashtra, 8 in Uttar Pradesh, 5 each in Assam, Bihar and Orissa, 3 each in Chhattisgarh and West Bengal, 2 in Jammu and Kashmir and 1 each in Manipur, Tripura and Puducherry. 7th-phase polling will announce for the 543-member Lok Sabha. A voter turnout of 69.43% was recorded in the first phase. Counting of votes for all the phases will be taken up on 23rd of May. Congress party accused BJP of breaching election code of conduct and further expressed apprehension over malpractices by BJP in electioneering for the upcoming Inner Manipur parliamentary constituency scheduled on April 18. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar alleged BJP of breaching election code of conduct at will since the party is ruling the state. He said BJP even blocked public roads at Mayang Imphal Bangun to conduct election-related public meeting yesterday. Ratan Kumar said as per Election Commission portal, the venue of the meeting was at Mayang Imphal Basai Leika and permission for the meeting was granted by Councillor of Mayang Imphal Council, Kiamuddin Maulubi. He condemned that the meeting was held by blocking public road. He also condemned that even the Election Commission failed to take legal action despite raising a complaint for the same. The MPCC Vice President further claimed that many BJP vehicles bearing party flags tried to hinder Congress Party's public meeting held at Mayang Imphal Bangun, Iroi Salam on April 12. He expressed discontentment that relevant authorities failed to take necessary actions when approached.
Ngarangmak Mayang Imphal Bengulda BJP ki Bharatiya Janata Party ki akhoi Honorable Chief Minister Masa yauba Cabinet Minister sing mayam ama yauba masi akhoi lambi thatlaga akhoi pangthokiba public meeting ama masi akhoi phangjaba report ta Mayang Imphal Municipal Council gi councillor akhoi Kiamuddin Maulubi haidana amana pibani haida maduge document so akhoi pizagani adubu tawriba mafam jidi basai lekai da tawbagi muhuta basai lekai basai lerak ahidana akhoi lerak leiriba lambi se pura thatlaga maduda pangthokiba meeting ni akhoi complaint tawbjing ngasi bhawbada akhoi karimte action lokhatpa ude masugumba akhoi gi yamna akhoi gi police ki side gi timely action lowdabasina maram oirakanda handaki election sida akhoi gi abuse of power torpa yabagi masugumba chingnaba yamna chawna lei aduna election commission na masugumba se akhoi timely action lowhan.
Kaishamthong Block Congress Committee also organized an election-related public meeting at Bishumthong Ningom Leira Community Hall today. Speaking in the meet, former Kaishamthong MLA El Ibomcha condemned BJP for ensuring to pass CAB. He challenged any expert to hold a debate with him on the contentious bill. He asserted that he may be exiled from Manipur if he loses the debate. Vice President number 1 of NEIDP CWC, Koiran Thaba, stated that Citizenship Amendment Bill is a trivial matter compared to electing a Congress MP. He said, making sure that Congress candidate is not elected as a member of parliament is the only means to safeguard the state. Speaking to media at party office in Tera today, Koiran Thaba stressed the need to support regional political party to preserve indigenous inhabitants. Koiran Thaba also said that Congress in a candidate or Nabakishore is on anticipatory bill.
Congress ta yaw rumatung 1949 dagi ai khoi si physically was minai nai thang ge thak si Congress n thon mani minai nai stang dagi extension lakadori sinam BJP n tholi bani Congress party di mi hat bani career hat bani maramaduna Congress di vote pifam thokte ni IDP gi philosophy si quite a chumme natraga de khoi survival si ngamroi extension la ani isan concern tore masi Congress ta chahi mari yaw rumatung da khangai bini ko.
NEIDP inner candidate R.K. Anand campaigned for the ensuing inner Lok Sabha election at Kwakai Bazaar today. He urged people to support NEIDP, a regional political party, and to fight against national political parties. He asserted that stated only a regional party can truly acknowledge and address the issues facing the state.
NEIDP na atopa party khenari noise. Atop regional party मैम ले मुझे कोई फॉल्स इधर सब मिना बच्चें खाली प्रॉब्लम साइड है अवाब मैम डिफिकल्टीज मैम चंगना बता कोई अंडरस्टैंड तवे तो ऐसे NEIDP ना मसी डिफिकल्टीज मैम से एड्रेस तोड़गा नेशनल पार्टी की लेवल दा रीजन सी कोई ना नॉर्थ ईस्ट की कोई ना मणिपुर याव ना हाई बताए कोई वो पॉलिटिकल कोई एम्पावरमेंट हाई बताए कोई MP मैम हम थाग लगा कोई ना खोंग थिल लगा खुद थिल लगा कोई will never surrender कोई ये पांडम से पंक्तिबा कोई हक पंक्तिबा कोई जब जब कोई द पीक द सम्मान हाइप ता कोई काय खमने पंक्तिबा ngasi de कोई हलरो है.
General Secretary Administration of National People's Party NPP Kurajam Lokin urged people to choose for the right candidate in the ensuing inner Lok Sabha election. Speaking to media at his residence today, he expressed his opinion on CAB and stated that Manipur cannot be exempted from a law implemented in the country. He urged political parties not to mislead the public.
India da I never said never in Manipur that is another have a cutting the one talk of have sick Kali Manamidi Karigumba ING Shem the name among the Manipuri way and Tongana Shembi Gadi Maduti Mayam Tazaba Malay Maduma tea poetry tea Mayam Yarigi political party sing the soup Praza signal since Yam Kalaga hiding by the Nang was a pang.
Major General KP Singh, YSM IGR self-flagged off a road expedition from Hotel Classic Grand today. 7 SUV cars on the expedition will pass through 18 countries covering over 16,000 kilometers and is expected to reach London by June 2nd. Altogether, 27 individuals, including 8 women and a 5-year-old girl, are part of the road expedition organized by a Gurugram-based company, Nishay Travel Company Adventures Overland, a company that has already made its entry in the Guinness World Records and 15 Limca Book of Records. The participants are from Delhi, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Chennai, Zirkapur, Mumbai and United Kingdom. Major General KP Singh bade safe journey to the expeditions. Prescribed to Maoist Communist Party, Manipur, in a press release, accused State Regional Office of Food Corporation of India, FCI, of corruption. The prescribed outfit warned of stern actions against those found guilty. Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operations at Thangal Bazaar areas today as a part of security measures in relation to the 17 Lok Sabha polls. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operations, Imphal West Police, Aribam Ghanashyam, carried out the search drives at Major Khul, Kalibari, Delhi Motors, Hotel Nongin, Manipur Press Club, Jalal Crossing and MT Avenue from 7:45 a.m. to 8:40 a.m. Altogether, 370 individuals were verified during the drive out, of which 9 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. The team further carried out such operations at Alugali and Ngari Gali from 5 to 5:47 this evening. 420 individuals were verified, out of which 6 individuals without proper identification proofs were handed over to City Police Station. Proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party observed its 39th Foundation Day yesterday. In a press release, the outfit informed that the observance was held at KCP Central Headquarters, General Headquarters Training Center, Tactical Headquarters Mobile Unit, Special Task Unit, 141 Battalion, 131 Battalion, Special Elite Unit, and other places across the state. Foreign and Regional Affairs Secretary of KYKL, C. Langamba, Army Chief of MFL or KCP, H. Bomcha, and other officials attended the observance held at 131 Battalion Unit. Proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party Military Joint Council presented food items and other gifts to Tera Children Home and the Old Age Home in Mongsangai in relation to the outfit's 39th Foundation Day celebrations. The outfit in a press release informed that a grand feast was thrown for the children in the home. Proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party People's War Group in a press release wished Christian community a blessed Good Friday and Easter Sunday. KCP announced lifting of the ban imposed on Catholic Education Society Manipur on the sacred occasion. The outfit wished for communal harmony among hills and valley residents. Thangmaiban Athletic Union and Thangmaiban Apun Bamaira Pai Bilub jointly organized Tabal Chongba event at Thangmaiban Maishnam Laikai on the occasion of Chairauba Festival of Maitai Gauria community yesterday. Proscribed United People's Revolutionary Front of Manipur UPRFM observed its first Foundation Day today. The outfit in a press release informed that observance was held at its general headquarters, divisional and sectoral area of hoisting their flag. 2-minute silence and gun salutes were paid as a mark of respect to their late publicity secretary on the occasion. And in sports news, 35th State Age Group Aquatic Championship kicked off today at Komanlam Park Sports Complex Swimming Pool. In today's events, L. Lanchenba and H. Donba of CSC unit bagged the first and second prize in the final of 15-meter freestyle boys Group 4, while T.H. Darwin of SCK unit secured the third prize. H. Nauba of CSC unit and K. Lenin and N.G. Sinajit of KYO unit bagged first, second and third position respectively in 100-meter breaststroke boys Group 3, while in 100-meter freestyle girls Group 3 and Nelshi of Sedok unit, H. Angelia of NLM unit and Ria Thangjam of TYC unit bagged first, second and third respectively. Deka Lupanmay of CSC unit, Adishri and M. Benita of MGMC unit bagged first, second and third position respectively in 50-meter freestyles Group 2. 190 youths including girls from various 18 units are competing in the championship organized by Manipur Swimming Association. Manipur girls football team left Imphal today to participate in Hero Junior Girls National Football Championship to be held at Kolhapur in Maharashtra from April 20th till May 1st. Altogether, 20 girls including team captain 8 Silky, 2 goalkeeper, 6 defender, 8 midfielder and 2 forward team coach NG Ruhikanta and manager M. Komdonbi are taking part in the championship. AMPA organized the flagging off ceremony for the team at Imphal Polo Ground Complex today. AMPA President S. Anatomba, General Secretary in charge L. Jyotirumoy and eminent members of the association encouraged the participants to bring laurels for the state. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Heavy storms hit Manipur, killing 3 women at different places. Storm damages houses and schools, sustaining injuries to many students. JDU State Unit announces full support for CPI Lok Sabha inner candidate Dr. Moirangthem Nara. Party denounces last outer seat election as unfair. Secular Democratic Front, a conglomerate of 8 political parties, extends full support for INC Lok Sabha inner candidate O. Nabakishore. And Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin says Prime Minister Narendra Modi assured redrafted CAB will ensure no harm to the Northeast states.